Getting started with your digital marketing strategy, part 9B. All kinds of Google ads, when and exactly how to make use of them. Video campaigns, what they are. Video ads that can show on video or website content. How they work. Video campaigns function similarly to display campaigns in that you bid to have your video shown on specific placements on YouTube or across the web to specific audiences. The main difference is that video campaigns have different types of ad formats available. Who they're best for. Businesses that have had to describe products or higher offers might benefit from video campaigns so that they can show their audience an offer rather than tell them about it. Since they function similar to display campaigns, this type of Google Ads campaign can also be ideal for those who are looking to drive brand awareness in specific target markets. Google Video Ad Types. The types of Google Video ads you can create are as follows. Skippable in-stream ads. Video ads that appear before, during or after streamed content that viewers have the options to skip after 5 seconds. Non-skippable in-stream ads. Video ads that appear before, during or after streamed content that viewers have to watch the whole way through, maximum of 15 seconds. In-feed video ads. A thumbnail image of your video with text that invite viewers to click to watch for more. These appear on placements like YouTube search results, next to related YouTube videos and more. Bumper ads. Non-skippable ads that are 6 seconds or less that play before, during or after another video. Ape stream ads. Mobile only video ads that only appear on Google video partner sites, not YouTube. They automatically play for viewers with the sound off to invite viewers to watch the full version with the sound on. Masthead ads. Only available on reservation basis through a Google sales rep. These ads autoplay without sound for up to 30 seconds. They appear at the top of YouTube's homepage feed. You can learn more about these ad types in our guide to advertising on YouTube. Pros and cons of video ads. Pros. Video content is engaging, immersive and can drive action through emotion. Lots of ad formats, bidding and target options. Video campaigns are extremely customizable. Can showcase a valuable proposition that otherwise may be difficult to convey in a regular text-based ad. Cons. Creating video ads takes up time and budget. These 4 fine print settings to be aware of. Spaces like YouTube are highly competitive. Google shopping campaigns. What they are. Shopping campaigns are vital to any business selling product. They are visual ads you see on the search and shopping tabs on Google. How do they work? This type of Google ad campaign survives off a product feed you provide, which lives within Google Merchant Center. Shopping feeds hold all your product information, called attributes, about your products like price, color, quantity, and more. Google creates your shopping ads and chooses when to serve them on the SERP based on the details provided in your feed. Because of this, the structure of your shopping campaigns will be different from other campaign types. Instead of ad groups, you will have product groups to separate out categories of products. To narrow your targeting, since your product feed subs in for your keywords, you rely on negative keywords and other targeting parameters like locations, settings, and more. Who are they best for? E-commerce advertising, looking to increase sales online, and local retailers looking to drive store traffic. Types of Google shopping ads. There are two types of Google ads created for your shopping campaigns. Product shopping ads. These are the regular shopping ads you see on SERP when looking to buy something online. They include a picture of your product along with any relevant information like price. Local inventory ads. If you submit your store inventory to Google Ads Merchant Center, these ads will show to nearby searches. These ads are identical to product shopping ads, but include whether the shown item is in stock for in-store pickups. Google Shopping ads, pros and cons. Pros. Visual ads. Shopping ads contain real photos of the product you're selling, which makes them more attractive than text ads. Shopping ads can appear both in the regular search tabs and the shopping tab. Also, more than one of your shopping ads can appear for a given user's search, and if relevant, a shopping ad and a text ad can appear at the same time. Shopping ads allow you to indicate special attributes like black owned, price drop, and more. Cons. No keyword targeting means you have to be on top of your negative keyword game, or you'll likely see irrelevant traffic to your landing pages. Your shopping feed needs to be optimized in order to create high quality ads for the right consumer. Requires Merchant Center account set up to integrate with your e-commerce site, which can be involved. I do hope this has helped you a little bit. As I've said before, I do my best, and even with my slow speaking I tend to get through. And if you like my videos, please press the like button and also the bell up the top of your page with the all next to it, and you'll get informed when I put other videos up. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you again. Goodbye.